Did you know that one of the best tools for mobility, strength, and posture was used by ancient warriors thousands of years ago? They are called Indian clubs, and they're making a comeback in modern fitness. But what makes them so effective? And who are they for? Indian clubs are slender, lightweight clubs you swing in flowing patterns around the body. They look like bowling pins and may only weigh 1 or 2 pounds, but their shape creates resistance with every movement. Because the weight is distributed away from the hand, your muscles have to work harder to control the motion. These tools have roots in ancient Indian and Persian wrestling. Warriors used them to build endurance, joint stability, and shoulder strength. Later, they showed up in Victorian-era gyms, and now they're trending again in rehab clinics and mobility workouts. Here's what they help with: shoulder, wrist, and elbow mobility, better posture and joint health, brain-body coordination, injury recovery, and prehab. They're not just for athletes. They're for anyone who wants to move and feel better, especially if you sit a lot or feel tight in the shoulders. You don't need a gym. Just grab a light set of clubs and try simple movements like shoulder circles, cross-body arcs, and flow drills. It's not about speed or strength. It's about rhythm, range, and control. And some trainers also incorporate Indian clubs into primal movement flows. This adds light resistance to natural patterns like lunges, twists, and deep squats, activating your core and boosting joint stability. Indian clubs are perfect for beginners looking to try something new, athletes looking for an edge, yogis and martial artists who want to connect with tradition, older adults interested in improving joint mobility, desk workers who want to improve their posture, people recovering from injury. They're a low-impact, high-reward tool that can change how your body moves without the strain. To good health, Bona Valetudo.